Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister doing well. I come back with another tutorial video. This video make for a how to deposit and how to reopen your doggy mining site. So I show you how to your deposit and how to reopen your and roll killing. Okay, so first of my introduce my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Crypto and Travel News. Here's two part. One part crypto related video uploaded in another part travel related video uploaded in this. If you get those related information, just subscribe and press the bell icon. You will receive all notification very fastly. I request to you please join my Telegram group, which name is BTS Satoshi Gift Card Exchange. Have you Satoshi app? Please share your hashcard and gift card in my Telegram group. My Telegram group name is BTS Satoshi Gift Card Exchange. So I request you please joining my Telegram group and share your all hashcard in my Telegram and increase your mining. Have you spider card? Have you rock card? Please share now. Okay, you will be increase your mining part with my uh, Telegram group. So that's the information of the site. Okay, uh, so I uh, share with you the free Dogecoin. You know, previously I was make a video. So where is my video? Here is my video. So if you watch it, you will be easily get this information. Okay, and request you please always time follow this pop-up menu. I always time trusted mining ready information in this pop-up menu, which is continue to payment the every customer and every provider. So I hope you must be video watch this video and also earning from this site. Okay, very easily for joining that site. Okay, I always time to share this link in at the site in this option. You must be follow this. Okay, so here is a all link available here, which I already video make it. It's simple to joining this. So this keep watching it. Okay, so now I go to my main topic. The free session is already over. When you joining this site, you get a 7 days for free roll claim. So how to reopen it? It's need to for a minimum 5 2 Dogecoin. Uh, Once ago, it was 5 Dogecoin, but now is their condition is so rule is now uh, disable same for our. So you can easily deposit this 2 Dogecoin. Okay, so I know show you here is my my deposit roll call claim already stop it. So that's the main point. how to reopen, I show you. And also request you please join their multiply option, earn option. If you earn from this site, you need to have 100 Dogecoin needed. So using yearly interest, your interest available. If you deposit 100, a daily income 0.0211. Okay, so very simple it. And also you need to have deposit option. As a dice option here, black jet option here, and lottery option here. Okay, you can buy any on ticket. Okay, so you can easily join the lottery program. Okay, so how to deposit this in this site? Okay, you must be generate it. Yes, it's my deposit address. Okay, so here is my deposit address and my free disable already. Continue. Okay, now I show you how to deposit. Please copy now and go to your wallet. So I request to you, if you using trust wallet, it will be easy for you. uh, Trust wallet to simple for withdraw. So very easy amount. If you $1 one Dogecoin withdraw, you can do it. And so you using trust wallet, and otherwise you can using Bybit and other wallet. So I copy it. Where is my balance? So copy it now. Is copy. Now I go to my trust wallet. Now I come to my trust wallet. Here is my balance, and is my Dogecoin balance. So next option I click now. Next, here is my doggy balance. Okay, and click the send option. Okay, I click it. Then paste my ID. Here's my ID. Let's copy it and now paste it. Okay, paste it. And minimum $2 because of here is recommended to $2 needed. Okay, two doggy coin needed. Okay, my balance. And next option, click this. My already I have clicked this. Okay, so it's continuing. Next, and my transaction is complete. My that means it's processing. Now here is show in my transfer is pending. Oh yes, I have already done. And now what was the last option I waiting for? Now I go to my Dogecoin address. Okay, please refresh it. Not it's take for 2 or 3 minutes. So I will be back. Alhamdulillah, it's done. My my home is changing. So here is some binding on now opening. So here is my balance. Now type this captcha and on to Dogecoin and roll call. That's the information of this video. I hope that the video is helpful to you. Please like my video and subscribe. Pray for me. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.